Now let us move on to question 5. We'll do question 4 later. In question 5, they have told us convert the following ratios into percentage. So that means they are giving us ratios like 15:25 and this ratio, which we can write as 15/25. You have to convert it to percentage. Okay. How to convert into percentage? There are two ways. One is multiply it by 100. So whatever answer you get becomes a percentage. So 25 ones are 25 fours are. 15 into 4 is 60%. This is the answer. Another way of doing the same sum will be 15/25. Convert the denominator to 100. The denominator को 100 बनाओ. So what can I multiply in the denominator to make this 100? What can I multiply over here? If I multiply 4, it will become 100. So if in the denominator I'm multiplying 4, then even in the numerator I'll multiply by 4, which becomes 60/100. And last time I told you all upon 100 means percent. So see, you all are getting the same answer. Okay. So I hope you all have understood this. Pick out any of the methods that you all like out of these two. Both are valid. Right? We are on practice set 4.1. Okay, I'll pick one more example. Let's take Swayam from Vikroli.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Let's try.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Let us try the next sum. Let us try the third one.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Of question 5. So in the third one, it is 7/10. So let's try with both the methods. What is the first way of getting the answer?
7/10 multiplied by 100.
Okay. So what will happen?
Sir, 0 will be get cut.
So
and 7 tens are 70%.
Achha. How did I teach you the second way? 7/10.
7/10. Both the numerator and denominator will be multiplied by 10.
Correct. इसको अगर 100 बनाना है तो multiply it by 10. तो नीचे
Yes.
multiply by 10 तो ऊपर भी multiply by 10.
Yes,
Which
sir.
becomes 70/100. What do you mean by 70/100?
70%.
70%. Correct. Okay. Fine, Swayam. Can you read the sixth question now?
Yes, sir. The ratio of ages of Abha and her mother is 2:5. At the time of Abha's birth, her mother's age was 27 years. Find the present age of Abha and her mother.
Okay. Let me just explain to you how to start any word problem of ratio proportion. Okay. First,
Okay.
tell me, Swayam, have they given us any ratio?
Yes.
किसका ratio दिया?
Abha and her mother.
What? उनका height, उनका weight, क्या?
Ages.
Ages. So I can say Abha's age upon mother's age.
Yes, sir.
Is equal to कितना दिया है?
2:5.
Is to, not raised to. It is 2:5.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, if Abha's age upon mother's age is 2:5, does that mean Abha's age is 2 years? ऐसा बोला?
Yes, sir. No.
And his mother's age 5 years?
No, sir.
This is not possible. तो क्या हुआ होगा कि कोई number maybe Abha's age is 20 and mother's age is 50. Is this possible? Abha का age 20 और mother का age 50 possible है?
Yes, sir.
But अगर 0 काट दे तो आंसर 2/5 आता है ना?
Yes, sir.
This is the reduced form. तो क्या reduce किया आपको पता है? What is cancelled? You know?
Sir, I think we wish X.
हाँ, correct. We don't know. So let us take that as X. So we will say let the common multiple
BX.
be X. Common multiple मतलब जो cancel हो रहा है दोनों से.
Yes,
so can
sir.
you tell me now what is Abha's age?
2x.
2x. What is mother's age?
5x.
5x. Very good. And x we don't know. Correct?
Yes.
अच्छा, इसके बाद can you read the second part of the sum?
Yes, sir. At the time of Abha's birth, her mother's age was 27 years.
अच्छा, इसका मतलब can you explain to me in Hindi what do you mean by this sentence?
Sir, means when Abha was born, her mother's age was 27 years.
अच्छा, so what can you tell by this?
Means
Do you have a brother or sister?
yes, sir.
Younger
Brother,
or older?
younger
How many years younger?
by 4 years.
So when your younger brother was born, what was your age?
4 years.
When your brother is 10 years old, what is your age?
14 years.
When your brother will be 20, what will be your age?
24 years.
इसका मतलब कुछ भी हो जाए, forever, do you agree your difference, your age and your brother's age का difference will always be 4?
Yes, sir.
आपका और आपके ब्रदर का एज कभी भी माइनस करोगे तो 4 ही आएगा ना.
Yes, sir.
One more example. If your brother is 30 years old, what will be your age?
34.
Okay. So same logic here. Today, Abha's age is 2x, mother's age is 5x. But जब आभा born हुई थी, तब mother का age 27 था. मतलब do you agree mother आभा से हमेशा 27 years बड़ी रहेगी?
Yes, sir.
That means the difference between their ages will be 27. What do you mean by difference?
Means mother is elder. Then
Correct. Mother is elder, but that means should I add the two values or should I subtract to get me 27?
subtract.
Subtract, na? When you minus your age and your brother's age, that is when you get 4.
Yes, sir.
When you will minus mother's age and Abha's age, you will get 27.
Yes, sir.
Achha, what is this difference?
3x is equal to
3x is equal to 27.
27.
X equal to?
X is equal to 27 upon 3, that is x is equal to 9.
27 upon 3 is equal to 9. So
Yes.
x 9 मिल गया. So can you now find Abha's age?
Yes, sir.
Abha's age is equal to 2 into
2 into 9.
which is
18 years.
18 years. Mother's age?
Mother's age is equal to 5 into 9, which is 45 years.
Oh. Did you understand so much?
Yes, sir.
Is it easy?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, can I mute myself?
Yeah, you can mute it. Okay, let us move on now. I'll tell you what all is omitted even in 4.2 now. Okay, in 4.2 everyone, write down what all is omitted. I'm writing here. Okay. Practice set 4.2. Question number 4 ka 3, 4 and 5 are omitted. Question 5, question 6 and question 7 is omitted. Okay, these are the sums which are omitted. I hope everyone has understood this. Okay, so let us get started. Hello, Yashika Pujari.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's start with question number 1 of 4.2. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, in that it's an activity where 5 upon 7 is given and you have dash upon 28 and you have to guess what will come on top. Now for this what you can tell me 7 को क्या multiply करके 28 मिला है?
7 4, sir.
7 4. तो 5 अगर नीचे हम multiplying by 7 ऊपर also what should I multiply by?
4.
4. What is 5 into 4?
20.
Did you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Same logic let us apply here. Next 35 है और नीचे fill in the blank. 5 को क्या multiply करके 35 आ रहा है?
7.
5 into 7 is 35. तो 7 को भी क्या multiply करना चाहिए?
7.
What is 7 into 7?
49.
14. Okay, let's go to the last one. Sorry. यहाँ पे fill in the blank है और यहाँ पे 3.5 है. Okay. अच्छा. Let's forget point. तो ये क्या है अपने लिए?
35.
7 को क्या multiply करके 35 आएगा?
5.
तो 5 को भी क्या multiply करूँ?
5.
What is 5 into 5?
25.
बट अगर यहाँ पे बीच में पॉइंट है तो यहाँ पे बीच में पॉइंट आना चाहिए ना.
Yes.
So what is the answer?
2.5.
Okay. So have you understood this now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So students, I want you all to try the second one. Okay. I think even if some part is remaining today, we'll finish the portion on Saturday, and next Wednesday we can discuss all the answers. Okay. So let's make sure that everyone is solving the homework and keeping. Okay, let's continue. Yes, Yashika, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, Jay Chavan. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Jay not answering. Okay, let's try Hani Tolani. Hello, Hani.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. You have not been answering for many days. What happened?
Sir, I was raising my hand, but you are not speaking only.
No, I have not seen you raise your hand. Okay, anyways, let's look at question 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you read the main question? What are we supposed to do in this?
Sir, find the following ratios.
Okay. Now, in find the following ratio, सबसे पहला ratio किस-किसका ढूंढना है?
The circle, circumference of a circle.
Read the sentence.
The ratio of radius to circumference of the circle.
तो radius ऊपर आना चाहिए और circumference नीचे आना चाहिए.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Radius को let us take it as r. तो
Circumference.
circumference का formula क्या है? Hani?
Yes, sir.
What is circumference का formula? If you don't know, then tell me. Then I'll tell you.
I don't know.
Okay. The formula is 2 pi r. What is the formula?
2 pi r.
Okay. If I write it like this, is anything cancelling ऊपर नीचे?
R cancelling.
R is cancelling. Okay.
2 pi.
तो pi का वैल्यू क्या लेते हैं हम लोग फ्रैक्शन?
Sir, 2 upon 7. 22 upon 7.
Okay, और ऊपर 1 बच गया ना?
Yes.
Now what we can do is जो denominator का denominator है वो ऊपर लेके जाएंगे. So what will I get now finally?
1 upon 7.
हाँ, ऊपर लेके जाएंगे. 1 से multiply होगा. 7 upon नीचे ये दोनों multiply होगा तो
44.
44. Did you understand क्या करना है समझे?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so first part is done. सेकंड पार्ट बताओ.
The ratio of circumference of circle with radius r to its area.
अभी circumference अपॉन एरिया है, करेक्ट.
Yes.
अच्छा, आप सर्कमफ्रेंस का फॉर्मूला आप तो बता सकते हो.
Yes, sir. 2 pi r.
2 पाई आर अपॉन एरिया ऑफ सर्कल का फॉर्मूला पता है, और शुड आई
Length into breadth.
नहीं, एरिया ऑफ सर्कल, वो लेंथ इंटू ब्रेथ एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल है. सर्कल का हर फॉर्मूला में पाई आएगा, पाई आर स्क्वायर. व्हाट इज एरिया ऑफ
Yes, sir.
सर्कल?
Pi r square.
अच्छा, आप बताओ, ऊपर नीचे कुछ कैंसिल हो रहा है?
R and pi.
आर, एक आर कैंसिल होगा और
Yes.
पाई कैंसिल हो जाएगा.
Yes,
तो क्या
sir.
बचेगा?
Sir, 2 r.
2 ऊपर आर, ये कैंसिल हो गया.
हाँ, 2 upon r.
आर, दिस इज द आंसर. इजी.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you read the third one now?
So the ratio of diagonal of a square to its side if the length of side is 7 centimeter.
Okay, one second. Okay, so now for the third part they are telling us there is a square. Square का side कितना है?
4.
Sorry,
4.
you are reading the third sum, no?
Yes, sir.
तो third में 4 बोला है,
No, sorry, 7 centimeter.
7 centimeter. So all the sides are 7 centimeter. Correct?
Yes.
किस का रेशियो निकालना है? What are they telling? The ratio of,
Diagonal.
तो ऊपर डायगोनल आएगा और नीचे क्या आएगा?
नीचे length.
Length of what?
Length of side.
Side. Correct? Do you know side का वैल्यू कितना है?
7.
तो मुझे पता है डिनोमिनेटर 7 है. Do you know डायगोनल कितना है?
No, sir.
डायगोनल का मीनिंग मालूम है?
Yes, sir.
डायगोनल का मीनिंग, यहाँ पे अगर मैं इसको ABCD नाम देता हूँ तो डायगोनल का मीनिंग क्या है?
So that
डायगोनल,
AC is a diagonal.
AC इज डायगोनल और BD इज डायगोनल. करेक्ट?
Yes,
तो अभी
sir.
AC पे बात.
Okay, sir.
अच्छा, ये ट्राइंगल देखो, ये दिख रहा है, ये ट्राइंगल है.
ADC.
हाँ, which type of triangle is this?
Right angle
Is it-
triangle.
राइट, ये 90 डिग्री है ना.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, इन ट्राइंगल ADC मेजर एंगल ADC इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री.
90 degree.
90 डिग्री है तो इस पे क्या अप्लाई कर सकते हैं? कौन सा थ्योरम?
Right angle.
अरे एक ही थ्योरम तो सीखा है 90 डिग्री में.
Pythagoras theorem.
हाँ, पाइथागोरस. तो इधर आई एम राइटिंग बाय
Pythagoras theorem.
Pythagoras theorem. Wait. By Pythagoras theorem, can you tell me what will be the value?
Yes, sir.
पहले
Sir.
थ्योरम में बताओ क्या आएगा, कि what square. हाँ,
Okay, sir. Sir, AD is equals to
हाइपोटेनस स्क्वायर आते हैं. तीनों में से हाइपोटेनस कौन सा है?
AC.
तो AC स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू
AC square is equals to DC square plus AD square.
ओके. DC का वैल्यू कितना है?
7.
7 स्क्वायर प्लस AD का वैल्यू कितना है?
7.
अच्छा, 7 स्क्वायर कितना है?
Yes, sir.
How much is 7 square?
49.
49 plus 49. What is 49 plus 49?
49 plus 49, 98.
98. तो AC स्क्वायर 98 है.
Yes, sir.
तो अब मैं स्क्वायर रूट अगर लेता हूँ दोनों तरफ,
98.
तो
98
AC
square root.
आएगा. AC
AC.
स्क्वायर और रूट कैंसिल हो जाता है ना, AC बचेगा.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, 98 को फैक्टराइज करो. टेल मी 98 का फैक्टर्स क्या है?
Sir, 2.
2
2 4
4 is 1 carry forward.
2 9
9
49.
right.
7 7
7
7
and
7
7.
1
So do you agree root के अंदर 2 into 7 into 7 आ रहा
Yes,
है?
sir.
अच्छा, इन सर्ड्स वी लर्न, इसमें से कोई पैर रहेगा तो बाहर आएगा, कोई
हाँ.
पैर है
7 into 7.
7 into 7, तो बाहर आके 2 बार लिखो या 1 बार लिखो?
एक बार.
तो 7 root 2 आता है.
Yes, sir.
तो डायगोनल कैन आई से 7 root 2 है.
Yes, sir.
कुछ कैंसिल हो रहा है?
7 7.
7 7 कैंसिल, तो क्या बच रहा है?
Root 2.
रूट 2 अपॉन रेशियो लिखना है ना,
1.
1. ओके, यू अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
लास्ट एक बचा है, वो रीड करोगे?
Yes, sir. The length of side of a rectangle are 5 centimeter and 3.5 centimeter. Find the ratio of its perimeter to area.
1 second. Okay, students, I hope you all have copied this sum. If not, I'm giving you all around 5 seconds to take a screenshot. Okay. So I hope सब लोग ने screenshot ले लिया. Yes. Honey, tell me, what is the shape now?
Sir, I can repeat the question.
No, what shape? In this question, what is the shape?
The length of side of a rectangle are 5 centimeter.
Rectangle का बात चल रहा है ना?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, ये rectangle का length कितना है?
5 centimeter.
और breadth कितना है?
3.5 centimeter.
Okay. और ratio किसका निकालना है?
Its perimeter to area.
Perimeter upon area. Correct? तो दोनों निकालते, perimeter निकालते. Do you know perimeter का formula of
Length into breadth.
नहीं, वो area है, area का formula length into breadth. Perimeter is 2 bracket length plus breadth. Formula क्या है?
2 bracket length plus breadth.
अच्छा, अभी substitute करो. 2
Yes, sir.
bracket L क्या है?
5
plus
3.5.
अच्छा, ये दोनों ऐड करके कितना आएगा?
8.5.
मल्टीप्लाई करो.
17.
70. तो पेरीमीटर मिल गया 17.
Yes, sir.
एरिया निकालते हैं.
Length into breadth.
Length into breadth, which is equal to
8.5.
5 और 3.5 को मल्टीप्लाई करें तो 8.5 आएगा.
No, sir.
5 into 3.5 करना, ऐड नहीं करना.
Yes, sir. 1 minute. 17.5.
17.5. Okay. So can I substitute the values here?
Yes, sir.
तो पेरीमीटर 17 आएगा.
17 upon 17.5.
17.5 आएगा. अब ध्यान में रखना कि फ्रैक्शन में कभी डेसिमल नहीं होना चाहिए, तो रिमूव द डेसिमल.
17 upon.
नहीं, if I remove the decimal, then ऊपर एक जीरो ऐड होता है.
Yes, 170.
हाँ, तो 170 upon 175.
5.
So can you cancel by 5?
Yes, sir. 5 3s are
5 3s are 15. So 2 carry forward.
5 4s are
4s are 20. यहाँ पे 5 3s are
5
15.
3s are
2 carry
5
forward.
5s are
So can I say answer is 34 upon 35?
35. Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, Ami.
Welcome, sir. Thank you.
Yes, students, I hope you all have understood. Okay, fine. Let's continue. I have not done the fourth sum. That's correct. We'll do it next time. It's a very different type of sum. That's why I've not done it till now. Okay, continuing with 4.2. Okay, let's try the third question. Hello, Jay. Jay Chavan.
Hello, sir.
Now you can answer, right?
Yes, sir.
Acha. Can you look at question number 3?
Yes, sir.
Can you read the question?
Compare the following pairs of ratio.
Acha. Compare matlab we have to say which ratio is bigger, which ratio is smaller. Okay.
Yes, sir.
सबसे पहला ratio is this: √5/3 and 3/√7.
Yes, sir.
अब रेशियो देख के आप बता सकते हो कौन सा बड़ा है कौन सा छोटा है. It's difficult. Just by
Yes,
looking. So what we'll do is I'll tell you a trick how to check. ठीक है? क्या करो, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई मतलब क्या क्या मल्टीप्लाई होगा?
√5 into √7 and 3.
√5 into √7. ऐसा कॉमा रखना, इक्वल टू मत डालना. हाँ, एंड
3 into 3.
3 into 3. You know ना कि √5 √7 मल्टीप्लाई हो सकता है. सर्च में हम लोग ने किया.
Yes, sir.
What is 5 into 7?
35. √35.
√30. And what is 3 into 3?
9.
9. अच्छा, अब इधर रूट है और इधर रूट नहीं है, तो यहाँ पे भी कंपेयरिंग डिफिकल्ट है. तो लेट मी जस्ट राइट दिस एज √35. और मुझे बताओ 9 किसका स्क्वायर रूट है? लाइक रूट के अंदर मैं क्या लिखूंगा तो 9 आएगा?
3.
नहीं, 3 का स्क्वायर 9 है. √3 9 नहीं है. दिस इज रॉन्ग. टेल मी
81.
रूट. हाँ,
81.
81. अब समझ रहा है कैसे कंपेयर करने का?
Yes, sir.
अब इन दोनों को देखो कौन सा बड़ा है, √35 बड़ा है, √81 बड़ा है.
√81.
तो कैन आई से दोनों में से राइट साइड बड़ा है?
Yes, sir.
तो आप ऐसे लिखोगे, देखो √35 is smaller than √81. Therefore, this ratio, left वाला ratio, is smaller than right वाला ratio. ये समझा कैसे करना है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's do one more sum. फिर बाकी हम लोग होमवर्क में लेते हैं. But next sum you will explain, Jay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, wait. I'll just wait for students to finish. Okay, students, I hope everyone is done now. I'm erasing this. Okay, yes. Jay, can you tell me the second one?
3√5 upon 5√7. √63 upon √125.
Okay, let's try this. तो यहाँ पे let's cross multiply again. तो क्या लिखूँ?
3√5 into √125,
Into √120.
comma 5√7 into √63.
अच्छा, अब मैं ऐसे करता हूँ, सबको रूट के अंदर लेके जाता हूँ.
Yes,
If I
sir.
take 3 inside, तो अंदर 3 कितनी बार लिखना पड़ेगा?
2 times 3 and 1 time 5.
3 into 3 into 5.
Yes, sir.
Okay. सेम यहाँ पे करो तो क्या आएगा रूट के अंदर?
5 into 5 into 7.
Okay. Into √63. अब ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन आपको करना है. What is 3 into 3?
9.
9 into 5?
15. Sorry, sir. 45. 40.
तो ये √45 into √125 हो गया.
Yes,
और
sir.
यहाँ पे 5 5
5 5 are 25. 35.
25 7
25 7s are. Sir, just a second.
या take your time. Hello, Jay.
Sir, yes, sir.
What is the multiplication? 25 into 7.
3514.
ये आपने पूरा मल्टीप्लाई किया, सिर्फ इतना मल्टीप्लाई किया?
सर उतना ही किया,
तो
25 into 7.
25 into 7, 3.14
सॉरी सर,
किसका है?
सॉरी सर.
हाँ, आपने डिवाइड किया है शायद.
49.
25 into 7.
सर सॉरी.
Jay, simple calculation you're not doing.
सॉरी सर.
हाँ, फटाफट बताओ.
175.
175. ठीक है. अब दो बड़ा मल्टीप्लिकेशन आपको दे रहा हूँ. You have to multiply this as well as this and root के अंदर लेके. So I'm waiting for your answer. सबसे पहले 45 into 125 करके quickly बताओ.
Uh, 45 into 125, sir.
Yes,
5,625.
correct. वैसे ही 175 into 63 करो. कैलकुलेटर में मत करना, खुद से करो.
Yes, sir. So 11,025.
11025. दोनों में से कौन सा बड़ा है? राइट साइड बड़ा है, लेफ्ट साइड बड़ा है?
Right side.
I will say square root of 5625 is smaller than square root of 11025. So can I say even
Yes,
in
sir.
this one, 3 root 5 upon, wait, 1 second, upon 5 root 7 is smaller than root 63 upon root 125. Did you understand this sum?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes.
so we can also do from another method. No?
Yeah, you can take things common also.
Yes, sir.
If you prefer that, let me show it to you all.
Sir, by 125, that 5 into 5 into
We
5.
can factorize it, correct. So वैसा try करते हैं. And then let us see वो better है या ये better है. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. So you are saying कि 3 root 5 है into 125 is 5 into 5 into 5.
Yes, sir.
तो इधर से क्या कॉमन आएगा बाहर?
5.
दो एक पैर बाहर आएगा ना?
Yes, sir. 3 root 5 into 5 root 5.
5 root 5. So पहले 3 into 5 करो. What is 3 into 5?
15.
15. And what is root 5 into root 5?
20 root 25.
नहीं. You're right. But what is square root of 25?
Square root of 25. 5.
5. Correct. Basically हम लोगों ने सर्च में सीखा है root 5 into root 5 is 5.
5.
Root 3 into root 3 is
3.
3. Root 2 into root 2 is
2.
2. तो ये यूजफुल है. तो इधर 5 आता है. Root 5 into root 5 5 आता है. 15 5 का 75 आता है. करेक्ट?
Yes, sir.
यहाँ पे देखते हैं 5 root 7 है into 63 का फैक्टर्स बताओ.
3 into 3 into 7.
3 into 3 into 7. अच्छा, तो इधर से क्या बाहर आएगा?
3 can come outside. So
And
3 root 7.
अच्छा, what is 5 into 3?
5 into 3. 15.
And what is root 7 into root 7? अभी सिखाया था.
7.
7. ये मल्टीप्लाई करो.
105.
तो कौन सा बड़ा है, लेफ्ट साइड या राइट साइड?
Right side.
तो दिस मेथड इज बेटर और प्रीवियस मेथड इज बेटर?
I think both are simple. Simple.
बट उसमें ज्यादा कैलकुलेशन था, इसमें कम
Yes, sir. In that case, the multiplication is greater.
करेक्ट, बट यू शुड नो बोथ.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now if
Actually,
you're
I solved from this method. That's why I asked that.
yeah, good, that's good, you noticed. Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, Jay. Okay, students, if you'll notice now, for the portion to get over, we have only 2 more sums remaining, that is fourth ka first and second, and we have fourth sum from the first exercise. So what we will do is, on Saturday we'll finish the portion and we'll start with our discussion. So Saturday तक ये सारे homework तैयार रखना. We'll discuss 4.1, 4.2 के homework sums, and we'll also discuss 5.2 homework sums. Okay, and then we'll every week we'll make sure to practice a lot of sums. So study properly and be ready for your school terminals. Okay. Okay, one more thing. There was the solution that I sent had a mistake in one of the sums. So I've told the heads to resend a solution. It was a subtraction sum. जो polynomials को subtract करना था उसमें एक mistake हो गया था. So make sure to follow the new solution that I've sent. Just check that out. And if you all have received wrong, just compare it. अगर तुम लोग के टेस्ट में wrong दिया गया है तो उसको correct करके वो आपके heads को inform कर दो. Then those marks will be added. Okay. Fine, everyone. I'll see you all next time then on Saturday. Study well. All the best for your school terminals.